Hi, this is Swati, and in today's video, we will see a new chapter, triangles, similar triangles of class 10th. So firstly, in the previous class 9th, we have already learnt about congruency. And in this year, we have similarity. So let us know the major difference between similarity and congruency. Firstly, congruency, we already know that two geometric figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. The sizes and the shape should be same for the two figures to be congruent. For example, two squares of same length, because if the length is same, the size will be same. Two circles of same radii. Circles look same, the shape is always same, but the size to be the same, the radii should be the same. Two rectangle of same dimension, that means same length and same breadth. Now, coming to similarity, on the other hand, the two figures are said to be similar only if they have same shape. The sizes does not matter in similarity. If the shapes are same, the two figures are said to be similar. For example, any two square. Now, squares can be this size or this size. The two squares are always similar because the shape is always same, no matter what the sizes are. Two circles, any two rectangles, and so on. The symbol for congruency is this, and for the similarity is this one. Now, the major important point here is the two congruent figures are always similar, because the congruency has more condition. It should satisfy the shape, the size. But two similar figures need not to be congruent. This is because the similarity condition is minimal. Only the shapes should be same. The sizes does not matter. So that is why the similar figures might not be congruent, but the congruent figures are always similar. I hope you have understood the difference. Thank you.